What is up? We're actually on our second trip of the day right now, and we've already done more miles than the short greenway, the no bikes allowed area. There's the water. I always stop at water. Not because I need to drink something, because it's just so gosh darn purty. All right, so we're on my favorite, absolute favorite part of the greenway right now, and that is the Old Fort to Barfield Cason Lane. Water. Anyways, so the progress report, I got on the scale, and in 3 days of riding these short trips that I've been forced to make, like barely 2 miles. The longest one was 2.7 miles. And just the last few days, I have lost 7 pounds. It's amazing! Let's put in some cheesy inspirational music here and enjoy a little bit of riding. To get out and ride, but we are also trying to push ourselves a little harder, or I'm trying to push myself a little harder on this one to push. Like the first time I came out here, where I'm at now at 30 minutes took me 45 minutes. All right, I'm dragging here. I gotta pick it up. We're gonna at least hit 4 miles before we turn around. 3.83. So we got a little farther to go. I can speak. Oh, that dude's killing it on his e-bike. I'll take this over the e-bike though. Literally have 0.12 miles to go till we're at 4 miles one way. So that way we've got a total trip of 8 miles for this one. And I am actually not in that much pain. First time I came out here, by this point, I was struggling. I was running on nothing, but I made it all the way to Barfield, which is a total of, I think, 5.87 miles all the way to Barfield. Round trip, the whole thing was like 11 point something. Here's a screenshot. We are 4.01. I tell you what, these rides would suck without these gloves. I love these gloves. I just feel more natural keeping my speed up than the first couple times I've been out. I feel freaking great. Oh, something else I haven't talked about yet is I've had back issues since I was 17 when I went to Summer Sanitarium tour and got thrown while I was crowd surfing. And I've had a bad back ever since then. And since I started riding, since I did the first trip that we were just talking about, I didn't have camera stuff then or anything, so I have not had any back pain whatsoever. None. And it's amazing. Now the gnats are out, so I have to put my goggles back on here. because I ain't dealing with that crap. That just makes it suck. So, I'm walked up under the bridge here, taking a small break, and yeah, just about, I twisted my ankle pretty good coming down that. So, there's really nothing to say except, shit man, if you're going through a hard time, get a bike, go outside. If you can't afford one, there are free ones everywhere. Get it. No excuse. Get out and ride. Oh, I have hated myself for so damn long. And I'm sitting here going, wow, life is amazing now. I gotta remember, there was a way that would take me into that field and then drop me off right up by the practice space. First gravel road. The first gravel road the old trek is seen here. I think it was the other way. Whatever, we're here now. Let's see where it takes us. Oh, golf course. Let's not get hit.